Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and I have a cleaning video for you today with lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. Before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. It's very easy. Just click that subscribe button and make sure you activate the bell icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. I'm also active on Instagram, so you can follow me over there at Robin_FaithAndFlour. I'm starting off my cleaning for the day in our master bedroom closet. I need to get some dusting done in here. I operate on sort of a zone cleaning schedule, so I've divided our home up into 8 different zones. And so this week I am working in the master bedroom and our closet, and I just do a few minutes a day trying to do a little more deep cleaning. And so this area needs a really thorough dusting. So I'm making sure to get things like the light fixtures and the vents and all of those nooks and crannies that I don't necessarily do on a weekly basis. After I finish up in here, I have several other things on my to-do list, so today's goal is just to work through that and get stuff done. After I finish dusting one area of our home, or I feel like my duster is kind of full, I head over to our laundry room, and there we have a port for our central vacuum, and I just vacuum out all of the dust. Now, at the end of the week, I will wash this in the washing machine and it comes out good as new, but vacuuming works really well in between. I also have a canister vac and a stick vac. It doesn't matter the type, they all work the same. Today was a beautiful sunny day, and Austin was in one of his favorite spots just taking it all in. We have this upper balcony. It's right next to the place where Patrick works during the day, so Austin can sit out here, look around, check on the events of the neighborhood, and just enjoy his dog's life. Next on my list is to get our laundry room back in order. I've done the laundry for the week. Everything has been washed, dried, hung, and put away. So I am going to just tidy up a little bit, and then I plan to dust all of the cabinets, the washer dryer, and clean the countertops. Things can get a little dusty here in the laundry room with the dryer lint and things like that. So I just try to keep on top of this, and it's really easy and just takes a couple minutes. here in the laundry room, I have a little bit of ironing to do, so I'm going to grab those things and get them out of the way so I can finish up in here. For the iron to heat up, I'm going to get a few things put away here in the kitchen that were left out to dry. Always get lots of questions about my little iron. It's actually an iron steamer combination and I love it. In fact, I got rid of my traditional iron after I got this, and I have it in my Amazon store, so you guys can find the link for that in the description box, but I really do recommend it. It works great, it's really fast, and because it uses steam, it doesn't get quite as hot as a traditional iron, so I can easily use it on my silk items, other delicate items, and because it's tiny, you could even travel with it. It does have a small water reservoir, so I do have to fill it once or twice when I'm ironing, but I don't mind because it works so well. often have leftovers from the night before for lunch the next day, and that's what we're doing today. I had made a vegetable pasta dish, and I just left the leftovers in my Dutch oven in the refrigerator so that I could take it out and reheat it on the stovetop. It's super fast and easy, and we get a hot lunch. And while I'm getting lunch ready for us, Patrick is feeding Austin so that he can have his lunch too. After a quick kitchen cleanup, I am back to my checklist. Next on my to-do list is to clean this set of shelves. This is right next to the entry from the garage and also next to the laundry room. And this is where we come in and dump everything. And it's a great place to collect all of those things. Most of our shoes go in here, at least some of them. And I need to take things off shelf by shelf and just vacuum. It's just amazing how much dirt we bring in with our shoes. And I'm so glad that everybody agrees to take them off and leave them here because it keeps our house much cleaner. It keeps us from tracking so much in. But then these shelves need to be cleaned. And I'm always amazed at how much dog hair winds up here as well. Last thing on my cleaning checklist for the day is to do the floors in this area. This is the most high traffic area in our home. Of course, the laundry room is always busy and it's extra dusty from lint and things from the dryer. And right outside the laundry room door is our garage door. So that's where we come and go all the time. And even though we take off our shoes, which is a tremendous help, our dog Austin tracks in more than his fair share of dirt. So these tile floors need a good cleaning regularly. And I get up all of the loose dirt and dust with my vacuum, and then I follow with my mop.
dishes must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand.
That is it for today's video. I hope you got lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to tackle some areas in your home and get your to-do list done. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel so that Faith and Flour can continue to grow. And if you're new here, subscribe. It's free, it's easy. All you have to do is click on my picture. Thank you guys for spending your time with me today. I hope you have a great week. I'll see you in the comments and in the next video.